The story of RTA really started with my grandfather. He started as a driver for UPS, delivering packages. Went all the way up through their programs, eventually ran their fleet of 40,000 assets, and took their fleet, saved them $100 million from 1973 to 1978. So as he's going through and doing that, somebody says, wow, you should really teach this, take it on the road. So he starts doing seminars. And then from there, somebody gave him the idea, well, you should put this in a book. So he literally took all of the reports and everything he was building and how he does it, put them into a book. He hired a couple programmers. They took those reports, put them into a computer program, and that was how RTA, the software, was really born. We look at the journey he went on as a fleet manager, and we look for people that have shared that journey. We hire people that have shared that journey, and we want to make sure that we're continuing to provide that same level of expertise that Grandpa provided back in the 60s and 70s.
When it comes down to it, fleets struggle with more than just software, right? It used to be, RTA was a software company, and that's not the case anymore. RTA is a fleet success company, and that's our ultimate goal, is to help fleets succeed.
RTA is different than other providers because we look at the fleet and the fleet manager holistically, right? We are in the business of not only helping you simply be a digital filing cabinet where you can record your information on a computer, but we're trying to actually help you solve business problems, solve fleet management problems within the software tool. So the consultant is built right into it.
It's not necessarily about our success or growing the company, but how do we help them achieve the results that they hired us to achieve? How do we help them get to their dreams and recognize their accomplishments? How do we help them celebrate their wins? What I love about that story is it kind of shows how we go full circle. We started off as consulting, went into writing books, and then we started writing software and then teaching people how to use that software. The software has grown and multiplied, and it was always built around helping fleets just like Grandpa did. What's even more poetic about it is that full circle tilt is that just recently we wrote a book, the Fleet Success Playbook. And then we just launched last year our fleet consulting division. So now we're back into the consulting business, and we've come full circle to what Grandpa started off with. Probably not going to be driving UPS trucks anytime soon, but it really does remind me is that that's how we started, was just Grandpa being as efficient as he could be, driving a truck and getting his route done.